Hi guys, welcome back. And today we're gonna do a cola explosion. Yes, we are doing a cola explosion. Right.
Yeah. So basically, guys,
Here's the cola. Let's do it. Guys, if you're little, do not try this at home. We aren't old enough to do it.
oh my god, that almost just came out.
Okay, do it on the pavement. Do it on the pavement.
Can I say hi?
Wait, no. So it's a really good view. But like, hi guys, it's me, Betty. By the way, name reveal. My name is Jason. We just lied the whole time.
Aye.
Okay.
Wait, nah, that's a bad view.
What about it?
Sorry guys, he's a little bit
Yeah.
cuckoo.
Oh, shut up. 3. Okay, throw. 3.
It's
Go and 3, 2.
I already cried too bad.
Go. Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, no! It's dripping everywhere! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Watch out!
Don't worry, it will dry up. Oh my god! Let me see.
Do not do this at home!
Do not do this at
Guys, imagine we just dump that out.
Wait, should I put this in? Should I put this in? It's all
That's
dirty.
a rotten one.
Should I put this in?
3, 2, 1, go.
Again!
Watch out!
Eat that this time.
No, wait, what?
You just ate a rotten one. Guys, do we have
Wait.
more men?
Ah! You're wasting some! You need to drink some! Jason! Oh my god! No! No! Oh my god!